Well, Wednesday, heavy rain, thunder, pond's clearing up nice. Altered the filtration slightly, and I think that's improved. I'd say it's gone very cold, it's windy and it's wet, and every so often it thunders. No lightning though. Now, about 8 years ago, where have I got the fence now? There used to be leandai hedges, and while I was away for a few days, my daughter phoned up and said that she heard meowing under the bushes, and when I came back I noticed there was some kittens under the bushes, quite independent because they were starting to run around themselves. Phoned the RSPCA, they came and they got them out, but I think they left one behind. If of course for the next 2 or 3 years every so often there'd be a young little cat in the garden. Keep coming back to the garden every year, and it seemed to be living under the hedges or under people's sheds. And now it comes back every 3 or 4 days, looks for food, and I give it some if there's any food lying around, and it makes its way into the summer house and lies on the couch. It'll stay there for a while and then it'll disappear again for another 2, 3, 4 days, and that is the kitten that was. I'd say it's quite a big size now. It's not friendly, it's definitely not friendly. I call it the wildcat because it does make a noise with its mouth and its teeth if you try to touch it. There we go. It's quite happy there, but if you go towards it, it will start to wag its tail and then go for you. It doesn't like being touched. Obviously knows I'm talking about it. And it just seems to wander around all over the streets, and it goes to people's houses and gets fed. It also goes over to the schools when the schools are on, and it gets the waste food that's thrown out into the bins. I think teachers or the cooks or somebody just gives it bits or pieces. But it must be about 8 or 9 years old now, and I don't think it's ever had a home as such. But it never bothers the fish. Never goes on top of the pond here. But as I said, the pond water is clearing up quite nicely. You can't see it very well today because of the rain, but yeah, I can easily see the bottom of the pond now. The fish are lively, and when it stopped raining I'll come out and I'll give you an idea what's in the filters that keeps the water as clean as this. And my filters cost me about £15 each to make, and I'll go through those and give you an idea that a pond can be kept on a shoestring. The lowest of the low end budgets. So please subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one as soon as it stops raining, possibly Thursday or Friday. Take care.